What is up? What is going on? This is What's for Dinner. I'm Drew. What's going on? This is a super simple recipe. First of all, you can use any type of ketchup. I just have Heinz. That's what I'm using. Also, you can use any type of yellow mustard. I'm going with French's. I have some American cheese slices, but what draw me to these, and if I'll be able to, it says, let's see if this will focus. No melt, imitation, pasteurized cheese product. These were cheap. This was $1. These were $1.49, and I'm sure you can find these in your Ralph's or wherever. It says hamburger, dill, fast food chips, and these are great. I've used most of these. And then some cheap jumbo hamburger buns. Rally's Checkers used to use the Kaiser bun, and then they moved on to a sesame seed bun, and then in 2017 they went just with the regular plain top bun. I have some 80-20 ground chuck that I'm going to make up into some patties. I'll show you how I do that. And for your toppings, it's just some shredded iceberg lettuce, also somewhat thinly sliced large tomato, just one slice, some mayo, you can use any type you like. I'm just using Hellmann's, and then also some red onion. Yeah, so there it is. I will be right back. So I have some parchment paper here, and I'm just going to work it into a patty. This is roughly right around 4 ounces each patty. On their website, they don't give much of a description other than their large patties. And so I'm just going to work these into a patty form. You don't need to push your finger in the middle as long as you don't overwork the meat. And when I get to the end, just like that one, I am going to just kind of crimp the sides. And I'll probably speed up the video from here. And then into the freezer they will go to firm up. So when I put them on our ripping hot skillet, we'll get a nice crust on each side. Be right back. And I have not put any seasoning on them yet, but I will. So with a little kosher salt, because I don't want it to lose a lot of it, to the pan or to the surface. Ideally, I would like to have a flat top to do this, because that's what they're using in Checkers and Rallies. But and then we'll do the other side when we flip them over. Some fast food places, you can take a little squeeze bottle like this, put a bouillon cube in it, and spray them, steam them. That's what I typically would do with the cheese after I flip them, and I know both sides are done. So I'm only flipping these once. And you can do it that way. Some of the frozen patties, they do it that way. And they always hit the middle, so that way you don't have to actually put your thumb, in the burger itself. I'm going to let these go for a couple minutes and we'll give them a flip. Now you can see where here the blood is coming to the top. That's when they're ready for a flip. It's only been 3 minutes. Again, you're never going to get a hamburger from a place like this that's like medium rare. So, and these are pretty thin anyways. I wish I would have got a little bit better of a patty on there. Not bad crust, not great either. It's a little bit better. This one obviously wasn't covering the surface area as much, but I've got my skillet turned up a little higher. Going on with a little more salt. A little bit more pepper. A little poke in the middle. And somewhat of a 90-degree turn, just like you would on a grill. Okay, we have our lightly toasted bun. Gotta go with it like that. First thing, mayo. And then ketchup. Do typically 3 rings, but since it came on so heavy, we're going to go with that. Our pickles, fast food style. I love these things. Go with our red onion. And I'm going to go with our iceberg lettuce next. Let's see here. And our huge onion. Now, again, typically I would put the cheese on first and steam the cheese. From a video I've seen, this is how they do it. And lastly but not leastly, our yellow mustard. Oh, Mr. Creepy Face Cam guy. Please try this recipe out. It tastes just like your Checkers or Rally's Big Buford sandwich. We are an Apple Podcast app, also available on YouTube. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Shop Talk Podcast. Please like and subscribe. Also, share with your boss. Share with your friends, with your family. We appreciate everybody out there that watches and takes time to listen to the podcast. Everybody take care.